Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup Kilay Goes tutorial. So if you wanna see more of this, let's get started! So guys, as you can see, hello! Ayusin natin yung kilay ko. Sobrang niyang kapal at di siya pantay. So, di ko naman talaga kailangan ng eyebrow or anything. So, linisin natin ng ganyan. Then, ang ginagamit ko pang pangkilay guys is the Chanel eyeshadow only. Kasi sobrang kapal na po niya. Hindi ko na po kailangan ng sobrang kapal na pomade and pencil. We're gonna do dito banda sa dulo from here to this point here. Then, if you want to measure, this is from your lips up to this. Yan. We're gonna shape it like that. Yes. So, yan. Naka-shape na siya. Fill in natin yung mga blanks, yeah. Yung mga keme-keme dyan na hindi pa nalalagyan. Lagyan natin. Tapos, dito sa front, para hindi naman siya sobrang kapal, i-brush natin siya. I-blend natin siya ng maganda. Oh my God, sobrang kumapal. Let's blend it like that. Okay, tapos na po yung right kilay ko. Sabihin niyo, anong pinagkaiba? Okay. So guys, this is the finished product of my Kilay Goes Everyday Kilay. My Everyday Kilay Goes. So, thank you for watching my videos. So soon, gagawa po ako ng many more videos to come. And many more makeup tutorials to come. If you wanna see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!